Hey everyone, it's great to have you back on the channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic. Are Robotaxis going to replace Uber drivers in the next 2 years? Let's break it down. First off, what exactly is a Robotaxi? Imagine a self-driving car that you can hail with an app like Uber or Lyft. No human driver, just an autonomous vehicle that picks you up and drops you off. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Now let's get real. Companies like Waymo, Cruise, and even Tesla have been putting in serious work to get these robotaxis on the road. In fact, Waymo's been testing their self-driving cars in Phoenix for a while now. They've got thousands of rides under their belt already. So, it's not as futuristic as it sounds. But wait, what does this mean for Uber drivers? Well, if robotaxis become mainstream, it could spell trouble for those relying on driving gigs. The goal of these companies is to create a safer, more efficient rideshare experience. No human errors, no need for breaks, just point A to point B service. However, it's not all doom and gloom. There are still a ton of challenges to overcome. Regulatory hurdles, public trust, and the technology itself still need a lot of work. Not to mention the cost of these autonomous vehicles is still sky high. So while robotaxis are on the horizon, they're not quite ready to take over just yet. Another key point is the human touch. Many riders appreciate the interaction and help from a driver, especially in tricky situations or when special assistance is needed. So there might always be a niche for human drivers, at least for the foreseeable future. To wrap it up, robotaxis are definitely coming, and they could disrupt the rideshare industry in a big way. But it's unlikely that they'll completely replace Uber drivers within the next 2 years. We're more likely to see a hybrid model where both human drivers and robotaxis coexist for a while. So what do you think? Are you ready to hop into a driverless car? Or do you prefer the human touch? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, stay curious. The future of transportation is evolving rapidly, and it's an exciting time to be a part of this journey. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a rideshare driver, or just someone who loves convenience, the rise of robotaxis is something to watch closely. The balance between technology and human touch will be crucial in shaping the future of urban mobility. So stay tuned, stay informed, and let's navigate this fascinating future together.